Dayton required both sides to lift all their mines within 30 days, something that, particularly in winter, was frankly unachievable. Well, both sides had combat engineers, and the combat engineers actually had quite a proportion of former professional combat engineers from the Yugoslav army. Quite quickly, the engineer Regimental 4 Brigade was able to get the combat engineers on both sides talking to each other to exchange their minefield records, and on a number of occasions we were able to arrange joint operations where the Bosnian government engineers would come from one side lifting their mines on a route, the Bosnian Serb engineers would come from the other side. We would provide security round both sides so that to give them confidence, and also if someone attempted to interfere it would be much more difficult for them to interfere, and we would provide the command and control, including allowing them to talk on our radio nets between each other. But I vividly remember at a place called Arapusa actually managing to get to one of these operations, literally as the two engineer teams from both sides, with British supervision and with a Warrior armoured vehicle following behind, actually were probing and clearing their mines, met in the middle, and I managed to get there just as they met in the middle, and from my rucksack I managed to produce something I carried always. They managed to toast the successful operation on famous grouse whisky.